There are many ways to celebrate Mother's Day, even when you can't be together in person. Here are a few ideas. Send a homemade card. She'll appreciate the special effort you've taken to make something unique just for her. Not artistic? No problem. Go online and create a card using special family photographs. Plan a virtual celebration. Over video chat, you could organize a family call, cook a meal together, play games, or even watch a favorite movie together. Put together a nostalgic slideshow or video. This will melt her heart and be something special for her to keep. Send a thoughtful gift, a bouquet of her favorite flowers, a day pass to a spa, a book she's been wanting to read, or a mum-themed music playlist. Write a heartfelt letter. Writing a heartfelt letter to your mother expressing your love and gratitude can be a touching gesture that she'll cherish. Make a charity donation in her name. Choose a cause that is important to her and make a donation in her honor. Surprise her with a phone call. Sometimes the simplest things can mean the most.